Hey guys, how's it going? Matt Dieter here with PlaneWave Instruments, and we're at Mt Hopkins in southern Arizona with Hart Scientific to showcase their new commercial off-the-shelf adaptive optics unit that we've partnered with them to make easily adaptable to our PlaneWave CDK700, RC700, and then 1 meter system. So stay tuned because we're going to jump in behind the scenes and help capture some images of this spectacular first light application with their adaptive optics unit.
We're up here at the site of the Minerva telescope array on Mt Hopkins, Arizona, installing the ClearStar AO adaptive optics system on a PlaneWave Instruments CDK700 telescope. So this is the first time that a commercial adaptive optics system has been mated to a commercial telescope, and we're able now to offer this as a package with Hart Sci in partnership with PlaneWave.